the lesson on mixtures and compounds. The topic for this experiment is making a compound. Over the years, scientists have experimented with substances, mixing them, heating and passing electricity through them. Most substances are not pure, but are mixtures of two or different substances which are not chemically combined. Compounds are pure substances made up of atoms that have two or more elements that are chemically combined. Using chemical reaction, we are able to make new compounds. A chemical reaction is a chemical change that occurs when two or more substances combine to form a new substance. In this experiment, students will learn how to make a compound from the elements of iron and sulfur. Materials that are needed for this experiment: a Bunsen burner or a gas burner, wire gauze, sulfur powder, iron filing, a crucible with a lid, two spatulas, a pair of tongs, and a box of matches. The method. This part of the experiment, we will make a compound out of the two elements iron and sulfur. It is recommended that we work in a well-ventilated room or use a fume cupboard so that we do not breathe in any of the fumes of burning sulfur. Firstly, place two spatula measurements of sulfur in the crucible. And add one spatula measurement of iron filings. Mix them well using a spatula. Watch the mixture to see if there is a chemical reaction. What do you notice? Note down your observation. Next, light the gas burner. And place the crucible that has the mixture of sulfur and iron filings in it on the gauze mat and heat the mixture. After a few minutes of heating, use a pair of tongs to lift the lid so as to check on the mixture and to observe the changes. Keep watching to see the changes happening in the mixture. As soon as the mixture begins to glow, turn off the burner. Leave the crucible for a while until it cools down. When the crucible has cooled, examine the new substance that has been formed. It was observed when iron filings and sulfur powder were mixed, there was no reaction. However, when heat was applied, there was a chemical reaction and a new substance was formed. We were able to make a compound from the elements of iron and sulfur. By applying heat, a chemical reaction has taken place, forming the iron sulfide compound. Sulfur melts and reacts with iron. The mixture turns into a dull red glow. A chemical reaction has occurred because a new substance is formed which cannot be separated by using a magnet.